Now, let's turn to their work. Many are major business owners, investors, or tech magnates. They spend most of their day in meetings, strategizing, and crafting new ideas. Yet, there is one thing that might surprise you. They are not just focused on making money. Swimming pools, private gyms, and home theaters, some even have offices right within. But it's not just the homes. Their lifestyle is quite distinct. They typically travel in luxury vehicles like Teslas, BMWs, or Mercedes. Often, they even have a personal driver. Have you ever wondered how the millionaires of America spend their lives? Come, let's step into that hidden world today. America's wealthy typically reside far from the city's hustle, in tranquil and private estates. Their homes are not merely houses. They are akin to palaces. Instead, they prioritize their time. Fitness, travel, and spending time with family are also major parts of their lives. Another interesting point is their streets and surroundings. Clean,